To get started with the continuous impact analysis workflows, copy them down to your workspace from the template folders. Let's start with the developer impact analysis. Click on the workflow. And it's really easy to set this up, just takes a minute. First, you identify the analysis system, which will be your SAP development system. Next, select your performance history system. This will be production. The comparison system will be production or a recent copy of production. And set the compare changing objects to true. Next, update your email to and from parameters. Click Save, right-click on the workflow, and schedule it to run. You can have this run daily or even hourly if you like. Let's have a look at the results. Column A is your transport task. B is the owner of the transport. C and D are the objects contained in the transport. The first three are programs, and the fourth one is a class. If you click on the hyperlink, it will bring you to a side-by-side code comparison so you can see how the codes change. Its type is ABAP, and there is one object impacted by the changing program. Now, the new feature in developer impact analysis is this unit test. The unit tests tell you if the object itself is eligible for testing within the ABAP unit test framework. If it is, simply launch SAP, transaction SE80, go to the ABAP unit browser, and here you can execute your tests. Okay, let's now have a look at the all-new Configurator impact analysis. The first column is the task transport, second is the owner, and then column C and D, you'll see the changing configuration tables. Looks like the TVAC has changed. If you click on the hyperlink, we'll see the objects difference report, and the TVAC table has a new sales document type called AA. For the TVAC table, there are 24 impacted SAP capabilities, including transaction VA01, and we can see that it's used in production almost 40,000 times by 13 different accounts, and there are 6 related Tosca test cases. There's also a link in this report that you can jump right to the Tosca test case from Excel. The new security impact analysis workflow displays the task transport, the owner, and now for the child type and name, we support both direct changes to roles represented by type ACGR, as well as if there are any ABAP code changes to the authority check statement within, say, function modules, includes, or programs. We'll display the impacted T codes that interact with those functions that contain the authority check, as well as we can tell you what's changed within the authority check statement. My dev system is on the left-hand side, and it looks like we removed the authority check for the STAB URFC, and that's completely removed from the function module. For the T-codes that invoke the changing function module, we also show the impacted roles that contain the T-codes, as well as the impacted users who are executing the T-codes. Going back to the home sheet, let's have a look at the changing role. In development, the authorization activity to row 5 has been removed.